back with another video. In this video, we're going to configure the GRE tunnel between head office and branch office. Already there is one IPsec side-to-side VPN between the head office and the branch office. Now, purpose is to forward the multicast traffic through GRE tunnel from this to this, and all the rest of the drive will go through the IPsec VPN. So in the head office we have Sophos Firewall, and similarly in the branch office we have a PaloAlto. So basically, after this GRE tunnel configuration, we want to route the multicast traffic through GRE to this GRE tunnel and back to client that is behind the PaloAlto. So let's check the overview once. So mm, I have a server, sorry, uh, and another one. Okay, suppose PM net. So this PM is behind the PaloAlto, um, which is in branch side, and similarly this one is in the head office. So if I verify the network, mm, so its gateway is 35.1 and its IP is 35.15. So you can clearly verify here. Uh, 1635, sorry, 35.1. Okay, now I'll try to ping the line subnet of branch office from head office. So already we have a VPN configured. So this one is the head office firewall. I just want to verify in the uh, branch side also. Okay, so everything is fine over here. So VPN is off. So what I'll try is I'll try to ping the uh, LAN subnet of PaloAlto from the head office. So okay, I'm able to ping. Similarly, its IP is 172.16.35.8. Okay, so our VPN is fine. So our main target is to configure the GRE tunnel first. So what I'll verify first is okay. Just let me check once. So let's do from here. So this is the console of PaloAlto. So I'll first verify the GRE configuration over here. So in the head office side, I've already configured the GRE. So to save time, system GRE tunnel. So okay, so the GRE tunnel here, the remote point-to-point IP of PaloAlto is 88.2. So we can just verify here. So it's 88.2 and it's 88.1. So okay, and the tunnel IP, local IP is it's 102.1. Similarly 108, sorry, 102.2. So what I'll try is okay, just let me check over here. We haven't created the GRE tunnel. I think there is okay. So previously I had configured some GRE related the related configuration. So I'll just verify once. Okay. Meanwhile, I'll just check with other configurations. So what we need is So we have a multicast server. So to generate the multicast traffic, I use the iPerf library. So it is available easily from this link. So I'll be sharing this link in the video description itself, and you'll get a bunch of uh, steps to configure the multicast sender script, and you can run this script using the cron job, or either you can uh, make the system service to run the mm, script. This is the sample image for TCP dump, where the where the multicast traffic is being forwarded from the server. So okay, so I have the same script over in the server itself. So I'll just show you here. Mm, so my path is pt multicast. So this is the file, and what I'll do is, so this is the same script as I have mentioned here. The service from the status. So this will solve the, this will execute the stream.tss file at a definite time. So for now I'll clear the console, and now I think we're ready to go here. So we will not get the ping reply because we haven't created the GRE tunnel yet. So our main concern now is to create the GRE tunnel first. So in the head office side, we have already configured the GRE tunnel. Okay. Okay, then back to PaloAlto. So first we need to create one tunnel interface. So I'll keep its name as AT GRE tunnel, and similarly virtual router default, and I'll keep so okay, I've already configured the secret region GRE, and my IP will be so remote IP, this one, slash, sorry, slash 30. Okay, this is fine, and now we can configure the GRE tunnel from here. So Sophos GRE, and our so we are going to use the local IP and pair IP as point-to-point IP, that is 82.2. So I'll just brief the interface once. So this is the point-to-point network. Okay, now our IP is 168.1. Tunnel interface will be this, and for now I'll just leave the keep alive option. Okay, and the tasks would be, we need a policy that will allow the multicast traffic. So just leave this. So first we'll verify the GRE tunnel status, and after this we'll be creating the multicast policy. Okay, so meanwhile I can check the multicast traffic generated from the server. So what I can do is, so I've already run the script as I mentioned before. This is the script. So I don't want to go in detail about this, so I'll be sharing this link in the video description, so you can just grab this and you can configure in the server side. So I'll I'll just make sure whether the traffic is reaching to the firewall or not. So TCP down, my interface is this, and my multicast IP is to okay, sorry, TCP DOM minus I. Mhm. Clear TCP DOM. So okay, I think the package has not been installed. TCP DOM. So I'll just verify. Oh, sorry. I think there is host. Okay, so we just need to wait some time. So it will just capture whether the traffic is being sent from the firewall or not. And meanwhile, what we can do is we can just capture the traffic over here. So I need to configure the uh, filter. So okay, we're not seeing the multicast traffic. So let's wait. It might take some time to display. Okay, meanwhile, I'll capture in the okay, this one is the so my multicast UDP port will be 5003. So okay, clear. I'll just check and okay, so now my multicast traffic has been generated. So no, sorry, has been captured. So the server is sending the multicast traffic to its gateway. So let's verify whether the traffic has arrived to the firewall or not. So okay, you can already see here. So the traffic is arrived in the firewall. What we want to do is we want to route the traffic through our GRE tunnel. So first let's try to ping. Okay, I think I forgot to keep the ping profile in the tunnel interface. Okay, so I should be able to ping the Sophos site. Let's verify. So my IP is 91.2 on host. Boom. Okay, it's working. Now my Sophos site, I need to wait. So the configuration is being commit. Now from the Palo side, we are able to ping the GRE tunnel. And similarly, yeah, we are getting the ping reply from the Sophos side also. So now my target is to forward the multicast traffic through the Sophos to PaloAlto. Okay, so in Sophos side, we need to click the enable multicast forwarding, and similarly, I have an existing route. So this is the source IP, which is the multicast generator. It's sending is sending the traffic to the GRE. So this is the GRE and port B. There is another one port also. So this is the GRE. So actually, I have configured the two of the multicast IP in the server. So in the script, you can see here. So okay, the server will send traffic for these two IPs. Okay, so we are good to go, and our now our target is to. So I think I need to check the traffic once. So 16.6, yeah, okay. So we are receiving the traffic. So you can see here. Okay, let's do one thing. 239.255.252 or 250. We have a two subnet over here. Okay, now we are getting traffic 648. Sorry, 458, 48. I think now we are not getting the traffic, right? So I just need to verify whether the policy is there or not. So okay, there is no policy. So what we need to do is first let's verify our zone. So our tunnel 80 is in GRE, right? So uh, allow multicast and source zone will be GRE, and let's keep the source address as any and destination. Okay, so here is a twist. So this zone is created by default from the PaloAlto end, so we don't need to create a manual zone. So all the traffic that belongs to multicast will hit this zone. Okay, Tommy, let's wait for some time. And meanwhile, we have just discussed about the multicast sender, right? So what we need to do is we need to configure some stuffs on the receiver side also. That is, we need to configure the multicast receiver protocol, that is IGMP. So we need to verify that. So uh, I'll be posting this page also in the video description. So just for Linux, you can check the IGMP services and you can just check the links. So status of interface, IGMP, and you can drag. You can just trace the packet, and if you have configured the default firewall D in the Linux, so you just need to allow the IGMP and the port of multicast IP, and similarly IP tables. This is the full configuration. And for Windows, what we need to do is we just need, so by default Windows will have the multicast IP configured, and if you want to change the multicast IP group, you can do this by using this command. And similarly, you can just verify the joins and the global. This is just the example, so we'll be checking in our server this one. So let's do one thing. mm, let's verify whether we're getting the logs or not. So still the logs are not updated. Okay, so in Palo Alto, another thing, we need to enable the multicast routing first. So that is in the multicast option. So we just need to enable this, and this rendezvous point uh, um, uh, belongs. So in my case, it belongs to the uh, LAN interface. So I just want to meet uh, the multicast traffic in the LAN's gateway. So I'll be configuring the LAN gateway. So my multicast traffic will reach here, and it will identify the IGMP membership, and it will forward the traffic towards the server. So for now, this and my group will be, so there is two servers. So for now, what I can do is just hold subnet, and the server that will be participating in multicast, that is, one will be point-to-point IP, and the server, and another one will be the tunnel interface. So I'll just enable the IGMP and PIM. Okay, I can leave this in default. So okay, although I don't want to change, so if you want to specify the source address space, you can just mention here. Okay, so commit. Okay, 99. So what we need to verify is we can check the routing table multicast. So okay, actually the group is 250. So I need to check this. So, okay, one thing I have already mentioned before, so I just need to join the multicast group in this server side. So first what I'll do is mm, server, what is my server? Okay, this is the client in. So what I need to do is, so I've already mentioned the command. So okay, this is the command. So for this server I want to join the, okay, just I'll show you first. So okay, you can see here, so I need to push the command or to join to force the IGMP membership. So okay, there is already a file, so let me try doing this and add. Okay, let me verify once. It's 250, 52, right? Multicast. Okay, so we're getting 252. So this is from the Linux server. So similarly I have another host, mm, that is in same subnet. So what I'll do is I'll just verify in this section also. Okay, so I have a two membership on my membership. You can see here uptime. So actually the membership is not showing for the Windows machine, so I'll just verify with the CLI once. And pin group mapping, you can see here. Neighbor. So okay, so we can see both of the groups. And another thing, okay, so we can verify from here. So I just need to check the command once. Okay, net sh interface IP show joins. Okay, you can see here, this is the IP. So IGMP membership was from this found from this server. And similarly there is another command. So global, okay, this will show all the global configuration. Global, okay. So what I'll try is I'll try to snip the traffic once. So first let's try in the client side. Dump minus I, sorry, TCP dump minus I ENS 192 IP multicast. So you'll just see whether the traffic is reaching to the client or not. So of after this PIM and IGMP configuration, so the traffic will be routed towards the Linux server and the Windows server respectively. So it will just take time to reflect the traffic. Let's verify. Okay, okay, so we are getting traffic. So this is the sender from which traffic is being sent, and similarly this is the receiver. This is the machine that is behind PaloAlto. And one more thing we can verify is we can verify in the Windows machine whether we're getting traffic or not, multicast traffic. So Okay, this is the interface. So you can see here we are getting multicast traffic from the source 35.15, that is this Sophos LAN. Mm, okay, so we are getting traffic. So I'll just repeat the configuration once. So what we did was, uh, oh sorry, I just forgot to show the logs here. You can just verify here. So after I enable the multicast, I'll be able to see the logs. So currently my time is 5:09, right? So we can see the logs. So the logs will be reflected in real time. Yeah, okay. So we are getting logs. So this is fine. So for RP rendezvous point, we use this LAN gateway. So multicast traffic will arrive from tunnel to this, and it will just forward towards the towards the server. So what we did was we just enable the multicast. We just configure the local RP and provided the group, added the interfaces that will participate in multicast traffic. This is all. And another thing, just let me allow. So okay, yeah, it's still it will be the traffic will be there, I guess. So just apply the filter. Yeah, okay, we're getting traffic. One more thing. So okay, that's all. Just allow me some time. So I'm just checking whether I missed anything to share you or not. And one more thing I just want to verify over here. So this is the PaloAlto CLI. So although we can see the status in GUI, in multicast, so we can see both of the feed, but in membership we are just saying 252, right? So I just want to verify whether there is IGMP for 250 or not. So okay, uh, so routing, so you can verify, you can see here. So there is a membership for both of the group, that is 250 and 252, but in GUI it is only showing this. And similarly we can just verify the statistics. Okay, this is all. And another thing is we can just verify the PIM state. So this is the PIM state. So the status is joined. um One more thing is FIB. So we can see here, this is all. uh, okay guys, this is all regarding the multicast traffic. So the sender multicast sender that is behind this Sophos, it's sending traffic to the PaloAlto LAN. And there, I just forgot to mention the Windows machine over here. So this is the Linux, that is 7.5, which is this one. So I think I missed this. Okay, so it is sending the traffic here, and similarly in the Windows it is also sending the traffic. So you can just test in your lab or in your production and just let me know if there is any issue. So this is all for today's session. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good time.